Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to ASMAS kitchen. I'm Asma. Today I have a really exotic recipe to share with you, that is chicken Chowmein. The dish is popular throughout the Chinese diaspora and particularly popular in Pakistan, India, the UK and the US. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. Right, let's get started with the recipe of chicken Chowmein. Spaghetti 450 gram, cabbage 1, capsicum 2, carrot 4, spring onion a bunch, green chilies 10, onion 1. I will show you how to cut them for this recipe. Boneless chicken in cubes 250 gram, garlic crushed 1 teaspoon, ginger crushed 1 teaspoon, chili powder half teaspoon, oyster sauce 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder half teaspoon, fresh red pepper 1 teaspoon, salt. I'm gonna use it while boiling spaghetti and while cooking, so watch carefully. Chili sauce 2 tablespoons, soy sauce 2 tablespoons, sugar 1 teaspoon, white pepper half teaspoon, white vinegar 2 tablespoons, and in last oil quarter cup. Now for procedure. In a pot I have already taken 4 liter water, boil it on high flame and add salt 2 tablespoons, and 1 tablespoon oil and let it boil. Water is boiled, so I'm gonna add all 450 gram spaghetti in it and stir it with a fork and let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm cutting veggies. I have a carrot and I need it in julienne cuts, so my cutting style is this. First make slantical slices. Then cut them into strips. Carrot is done. Now I have a capsicum and I have to cut it in julienne cut. Also, firstly cut it vertically. Now remove its seeds. After discarding seeds, take each part and cut it into thin strips. Capsicums are also done. Now take a cabbage, slice it and make thin strips of it. I have taken a spring onion now. I require only its green part, so remove top and bottom and now just chop it. Spring onion is also done. Now remove top and bottom of green chilies. And also cut it in julienne cut. Now in last, I have onion and I am going to just simply chop it. Onion is also done. Meanwhile, spaghetti is also done. Now drain it in colander. Open tap water over it and stir it with fork so they won't stick together. Then close the tap and let it drain completely. At the meantime, in a pot, add quarter cup of oil. Let it bit warm and add garlic and ginger and saute it. Now add chicken and stir fry it. Let it change its color. And cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, chicken is done. Take them out in a platter and add chopped onion in same pot and saute it and let it get tender. Now they are golden pink. Stir it a bit more. Add carrots. Stir fry it on medium-high flame. Add capsicum and stir fry it. And let it tender for at least 10 minutes. But make sure that your flame is now low-medium. After 10 minutes, now add cabbage and stir fry it. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Stir it again. Let it cook for again 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, now add already fried chicken in it. Mix it well. And add all the boiled spaghetti. And toss it well. Now add all spices and sugar and all the sauces and vinegar and toss all together really well. Now I'm gonna add spring onion and mix them, and add green chilies and again toss it well. Now chicken chow mein is ready. I am dishing it out. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media, link in description. Give thumbs up if you like this recipe, leave comment below, share it with your family and friends, subscribe ASMAS Kitchen and don't forget to click on bell icon. I shall see you soon with another exotic recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.